Mold in the basement is a common occurrence due to the increased moisture and humid environment that typically exists there. How do you get rid of mold in a basement? For small moldy areas, you can clean it yourself by using a mold-killing solution such as undiluted vinegar, diluted bleach, or store-bought products designed to kill mold. However, for severe mold growth or any mold contamination that exceeds 10 square feet, it's best to hire a mold company like FDP Mold Remediation. We are certified, experienced, and have the knowledge to ensure that the basement mold removal job is done properly and safely. To prevent basement mold in the future, it's important to eliminate any leaks, excess humidity and condensation, since reducing moisture is the key to preventing mold. Our experts are well-versed in preventative measures, and always identify and repair the cause of mold as part of our remediation process. Call us today for a free consultation, or to find out more about our basement mold remediation services.